Skiers in the Castle Peak area, it has been nearly 12 hours since they were hit by an avalanche. We're told 6 people survived and 10 others are now missing. The group was leaving an overnight backcountry trip. They had been staying at Frog Lake Hut.
It's not clear if the group was skiing for the day or trying to get home. You can see in this video, search and rescue teams have been dealing with whiteout conditions all day. We're now learning the Nevada County Sheriff's Office will hold a news conference tomorrow morning. We also talked with the state's Emergency Operations Center tonight, who had this to say.
Here at Cal OES, we're working with our local government partners, sheriff, fire, all of the rescue personnel to make sure that they have all the resources they need to rescue anybody that may be trapped.